Welcome to JH. Integrating your Outlook calendar with Notion is a powerful way to organize your schedules and handle tasks with much higher efficiency. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this in a smooth and simple manner. First, you need to open your Outlook calendar. While this seems basic, it is the essential starting point for the entire process. Once you are in Outlook, navigate to the View tab and select the Calendar Settings option. This menu offers many tools, but we specifically need the Shared Calendars section. In this area, look for the Publish a Calendar heading. Here, you will choose the specific calendar you want to share and set its permissions to view all details. This specific setting is vital because it allows all your event information to be visible once it is moved into Notion. After you have configured these settings, click on the Publish button. Immediately after, be sure to copy the provided URL link. This link acts as the bridge between your calendar and your Notion workspace, so keep it ready for the next step. Now, let's move over to the Notion website. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account. You can use the Continue with Google feature if that is how you usually access your profile. Once you are inside your Notion workspace, go to the exact page where you want your Outlook calendar to be displayed. Click on any text box to activate the editor and type /embed to bring up the embedding tool. Select the embed option from the list to open the link input window. Paste the Outlook URL that you copied earlier into the box and click the Embed Link button. Notion will then fetch your data and show your Outlook calendar right inside your page. This integration ensures that everything stays perfectly synced, so any modifications you make in Outlook will show up in Notion automatically. To make things look even better, you can click and drag to resize the calendar so it fits your workspace layout. By following these steps, you can centralize your workflow and stay on top of your schedule without needing to jump between different apps. Happy organizing!